Hello guys and welcome to Three Bro Shows, and today I'm going to do a Scratch tutorial. Yeah, I'm going to be teaching you how to make high scores on Scratch. Now, if you don't know what Scratch is, this isn't an advertisement, but Scratch is a coding platform for people who are beginners at coding or just want to do coding for fun or want to do easy coding. So with Scratch, you don't have to type out coding, you just have to do blocks. For instance, if I put this out here, click on it, moves it 10 steps. So it's pretty fun to code with, and then people can show you their projects, you can play people's games, and that's pretty much all about Scratch. But this is how you make high scores on Scratch. So you want to have two variables. First I'm going to delete this variable so I don't get confused. And then, so if your title is a new Scratcher, if on your profile says that you're a new Scratcher and not a Scratcher, then you won't be able to do this, because apparently new Scratchers can't do cloud variables, which is kind of weird. But, so I'm gonna try to, I'm gonna see if this still works, if Highscore still works. So your first variable is gonna be score. I cannot talk today. First variable is going to be score. So I'm just going to type that out. I'm not very fast at typing. And then it's not going to be a cloud variable. And you can do for this sprite only over all sprites. Pretty sure it works either way. So score, see it's right there. And then the next variable is going to be wait, it's not how you spell high score. I'm very slow at typing, I'm sorry. High score, and this is going to be a cloud variable stored on server. Just press OK. Then you have high score and score. High score has a cloud next to it because it's a cloud variable, obviously. So I'm going to show you this. When green flag clicked, forever, if, so this is how you make the high score. Forever, if, then you need this. Score is more than high score. So high score is less than score. Then set high score to score. That's how you do high scores on Scratch. So now, if I do it, green flag clicked forever. Let's see, change score by 1. I'm gonna do wait 1 second. So watch this right here. Keep going up with the score, and then if you stop it and then press the green flag again. So when green flag clicked, you gotta do this. Set score to 0, not high score. Set score to 0. So you see, it's going up. And then you have to, so yeah, it's going up. And then to reset the score, but not the high score, just press the green flag. Just press the green flag or stop and then press the green flag. So that's how you make high scores in Scratch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it, and comment down below on other Scratch tutorials you want me to do. Just a warning, I'm not that good on Scratch. Make sure to follow me on Scratch at Daboy Games. I know it's a weird name, but that's my name. So make sure to subscribe, and see you next time on Three Bro Shows. Bye.